Hi everyone, I am standing at the corner of my house right now, and I can show you something pretty cool that I've been working on yesterday. I have installed a security camera, an IP camera, on a tree. This camera gets the corner of this intersection because there are at least 8 accidents on this intersection a year. Excuse me. And I ran the cable. You can see a little trench that we had to dig. This is just plain Cat 6 cable covered in some gaff tape. Not the best or anything professional, but we have a Hikvision DS 2CD 2232-i5 1080 IOP resolution security camera. Trench continues this way. Pops up right here. See a conduit. And then it goes in some other piping into the house. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like from inside. Alright, so inside, this is the camera where it goes to. It's an IP camera, so it has a switch. This software is called Camlytics and allows us to monitor traffic data. For example, 522 people have gone down this section of the road. It works very well. It shows you all the different statistics and it tracks cause. So if we hit this, it actually will show us the heat map, the area cause have been dry the longest, and also peak times. Like at 12 p.m. today, there were almost 200 cars going down West Collins. So this is a very, very cool thing that I've set up here. Well, very cool software, excuse me. It does have recording capabilities, so this records around 4 weeks at a time using the internal hard drive. I have a 1 terabyte drive, which I'm only using maybe 20% of. So it records everything in hour intervals. Has excellent night vision. And this is to capture any accidents or any fights, anything that goes wrong in this intersection. And it's a very cool thing. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.